Okay, just like a triad, seventh chords can be inverted. Remember, an inversion is when we're just not using the root note as our bass note. We're flipping them around, so we're changing the order of them. So let's look at these inversions of our seventh chord. Okay, here's a seventh chord, 4 different notes stacked up like a snowman. We call this in root position. But what happened if these different notes were in different places? So when the bottom of the snowman, the butt of the snowman, is the base of the chord, we're going to call that the root position, and we're going to just put a 7 after it. If the bottom of the body is in the bass, we're going to call it first position, and we're going to put a 6/4 after the chord. If the upper body is in the base of the chord, then we're going to call it second position, and we're going to call it a 4/3. Put that after the chord. Next one, if the head of the snowman in our seventh chord is in the base of the chord, we're going to call it third position, and we're going to put a 4/2. Sometimes it's just abbreviated as a 2 depending on who's talking about it. Now, an easy way to remember seventh chord inversions, you have this: 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So it just goes down the line. Another way I've seen to remember this is to remember this phone number: 664-765-4342. Now, what does this phone number mean? Well, these first 3 digits are our triads. The 6 is our first inversion number. Our 6/4s are our second inversions in triads. Then we have our seventh chords. If it's in root position, we just use our 7. If it's in first inversion, we use our 6/5. Second inversion, use our 4/3, and our third inversion uses the 4/2. So 6/6/4, 7/6/5, 4/3/4/2.